everyone, it's Jan from Jan Plans Things, and welcome to my unboxing video of my Hobonichi haul for 2018 for the 2019 calendar year. Now, I actually filmed this twice because the first time I filmed it, I left all the plastic inside and all you could hear was me ripping plastic open, which is not excellent. So I've tried to take some of the plastic out and I'll go through again what I kind of bought this year. And this year everything is in this bright orange box. I have a different coloured box every year. It's the 20th anniversary. When you open it up, it has this lovely quote, which is like, "Don't ever lose hope. It's far too important. You know how a pinch of salt changes the whole flavour of the dish. Your hope is that salt." So I'm glad my saltiness sometimes is actually a good thing. But let me open up. And here is my things from this year. So the Hobonichi is probably my first love in terms of journaling. It was the first thing that I really used as a journal, and I still buy things every year, even though I bullet journal now, because I have a lot of companion pieces that I use. And also they have some really nice covers that I like putting over the top of my LT journals, or now I've moved to the Archer and Olive, and because they're A5 fitting, then I can use those for the whole year and change it up, and it makes it feel like a new journal. So I'm just going to show you what I got. So let's have a look. The very first cover I got is this one. It's called the Sora Chick. It's a cover by the fabric designer Mina Perhonen, and it's got these really beautiful dark inky check patterns on the side. And when you open it, take this out, it's got these two cute bookmarks with round leather bits in. I'll pull these off so we can see them a little bit more clearly. It's a really cute leather bookmarks, and these lovely like knotted cords down the ends. And I don't think this is real leather. I don't remember it's real leather, but I'll check it for you. And then there's also these this lovely message inside, and it's got like a little nylon covering, so kind of like a little bit water resistant, and also a lot of pockets. So I like to put like washi cards and other cards that I use a lot in here. And it's quite handy to have, and like little clips as well. And you can see me using these a lot in previous spreads and videos. Now you can also see it closes up like this, and this is kind of where I put the pens, and the pen holder kind of like holds everything together instead of having elastic that goes all the way around. So you'll probably be seeing this one soon. I love the pale blue color of the inside. My second cover is also a Mina Perhonen cover. Sorry, this is upside down. This one I think is called the Soda Water cover, and you can kind of see it's got like a crisscrossing weave, and the weave basically is changing direction. So the grey fabric is all going this way, and then the dots themselves change, and that kind of gives them a lovely depth and dimension. The outside is all stitched in this pale grey stitching, and then you've got this like lovely antique silver zipper, and the zip itself has a little Mina Perhonen bow and like a leather pull. So pull this open, and it's upside down. And here are this is the cover for the bookmarks. Here are the bookmarks here. So you can see, most of the time you hear me when I'm reviewing notebooks that I don't mind if they don't have bookmarks. It's because my covers have bookmarks. So this one comes with like an olive green one as well as a blue one, which is really nice. And they've got a square and a triangle, so you can kind of differentiate between the two when you're looking through them. This cover has a big pocket at the back, as well as a pocket here and a mesh pocket where you can see the things you're holding. You can also put a pen in here, and there's another pocket on this side as well, and then a pocket for your cards. So I find that really handy. I store a lot of my supplies in there, washi cards, pens and pencils. I have a really thin watercolor palette that I can also slide in the back. Sometimes I use the zipper cover for most of last year as well, and I alternate between that one and then my choose to do cover quite a bit depending on how sparkly I feel that week. So I like to vary this up quite a lot. So the other thing was I bought my Weeks the Weeks is my probably like constant companion beside my bullet journal. It's a small portrait size notebook. And this year I got the limited edition Moomin one. You had to pre-order it, so unfortunately this isn't available anymore. So at the front you've got this lovely painting from scenes from Moomin. And then at the back it kind of continues. It came with a map, like this laminated railway map of Tokyo, which probably not as handy for me in Melbourne. And then this really cute Moomin stencil with a little ruler on the side. So the journal itself, the Weeks journal, it kind of starts with what looks a little bit like a future log, like a really condensed version of it. And it's all in Japanese, but the numbers are kind of self-explanatory. And we've got a monthly layout. And then that goes straight into the weekly layout. So we've got weeks down the side and notes down the side. So I find it really handy when I just drop it in my my handbag, and I kind of just put like shopping lists and any quick reminders here, and then they get transferred into my bullet journal, because sometimes my bullet journal is too big to carry around, and this is kind of just like a really messy version of this. The Tomoe River paper that comes with, so here's the 2 bookmarks. The Tomoe River paper that comes with this notebook is only 52 GSM, but I love it for watercoloring because the colour just kind of sits on the top of the paper, and it's like it pops quite a bit and you don't need much on it. So I actually learnt to watercolour on one of these, which is kind of why I don't mind it so much that the LT bleeds. Not bleeds, sorry, I mean the LT Ghost, because the paper that I came from was much thinner. And I also got this cover. This didn't fit in the box, so they actually sent this separately in the bag. And this was my Weeks cover. I use it as a wallet during the year. So this year I got one with a Liberty of London fabric on the front. I'm going to Scotch guard it to protect it while I use it. And basically my Weeks kind of just slides into here, like so. And then I can use this easily throughout the year just to take notes. And I've got space for my wallet and then coins as well. It's in this little zipper. And then I can kind of just put these cards in and a little pen holder. Now, just be careful of these little bookmarks. And on top of that, I also ordered this metal tin. I thought it was really cool. I was planning to use it for watercolors, but I actually thought it would be a lot thinner than this, like basically this size. Like this itself is an excellent watercolor tray. This whole thing is a little bit deep, so I might I'll use it upside down like this, and then store some paint and stuff on top. I think it's kind of really cool. So that was basically my Hobonichi haul for this year. So you'll be seeing a lot of these covers make a cameo throughout the year on my bullet journals. I'll try and take a few photos of my Weeks. Probably, if you look on my feed, you probably saw a picture of BB-8 that was painted inside the Hobonichi. But I hope you enjoyed that video, and it was just a nice quick fun one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!